ants in one's pant, यानी कि nervous या anxious, बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेंशन में होना. He was about to speak in front of huge crowd. He had ants in his pants. When he had to explain his father why did he hit his younger brother, he felt like he had ants in his pants. An arm and a leg, a large amount of money, यानी बहुत खर्चा हो जाना. The skin treatments cost me an arm and a leg. Ever since I bought my car, its maintenance cost me an arm and a leg. My Airtel's monthly plan cost me an arm and a leg. अगला है एयर वंस डर्टी लॉन्ड्री इन पब्लिक. डिस्कस पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स ओपनली. जैसे घर की बात बाहर निकल देना. ही इज़ वेरी प्राइवेट पर्सन, डोंट एयर हिज डर्टी लॉन्ड्री इन पब्लिक. चेतन शर्मा एयर्ड BCCI's dirty laundry in public. We should not anyone blindly. They might air our dirty laundry in public. अगला है ऑल ईयर्स ईगर टू लिसन, यानी सुनने को बहुत बेताब. जैसे इफ़ यू एवर वांट टू डिस्कस योर प्रॉब्लम्स विद मी, आई एम ऑल ईयर्स. शी वॉज एक्साइटेड टू टेल मी अबाउट हर वेकेशन एंड आई वॉज ऑल ईयर्स. अब ऑल ईयर्स के बाद आएगा ऑल थम्स. क्लमजी, अनेबल टू फिक्स थिंग्स. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं झल्ला या जल्ली. डोंट गिव मी एनी किचन रिलेटेड वर्क, आई एम ऑल थम्स. His uncle tried to repair the fan by himself. Turns out he was all thumbs. अगला है apple doesn't fall far from the tree. या being similar to parents or family members. या जैसा बाप वैसा बेटा. He is also miser like his father. You know, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Tipu Sultan was none lesser than Hyder Ali. It proves that apple doesn't fall far from the tree. अगला है apple of one's eye. Someone's special, यानी आँखों का तारा. Vijay is the most mischievous son of Rajat, yet he is apple of Rajat's eye. Although he loves his son, but his daughter is the apple of his eyes. At odds, in disagreement, किसी चीज़ पे असहमति होना. The media is at odds with the government's new bill. He is at odds with his boss. At the end of one's ropes, desperate and nowhere to turn, मतलब कोई और चारा नहीं होना. I have tried every which way to figure out this problem, but now I am at the end of my rope. She had to ask for my help because she was at the end of her rope. Back on one's feet, financially or physically healthy again. वही अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना. By the end of Diwali's season, his business is back on its feet. After suffering for 2 years, finally my back pain is fading and I am back on my feet.